Good morning, Kirsten.
Good morning, camera.
We have our chauffeur today.
Good morning. It's the worst job I've ever had.
He's an Uber. Just in case the construction thing doesn't work out, he's an Uber. So we're going ahead and we're going to get a little
Are
tour.
we going to go ahead with that?
We're going to go ahead and get a... We're going to go ahead.
We're going to go ahead?
We're going to go ahead.
Good.
And get a little tour. Maybe we're going to go downtown, Santa Fe, do a little shopping. They're probably going to go ahead and have some lunch.
We might go ahead and have some lunch. I don't know.
And
But
then
Scott went ahead the other day. And what the hell's going on? It's like a raccoon in the back.
He's got other people in the back of the Uber.
There's some plumbing stuff back there that's sliding around, I think, too.
So Kirsten's just going to lounge in the back.
Yep, I got the whole back to myself.
So let me give you an idea of what we're going to do. So today we're leaving my home, which is in Aldea. It's about 6 miles from the downtown area. And today we're going to drive up the Sangre de Cristo mountain. Sangre de Cristo, that means blood of Christ. And we're going to the top, to the Santa Fe ski basin. And when you get up there, there's a couple overlook spots. There's lots of hiking and everything, but there's a couple overlook spots that let you see all of Santa Fe, Sandia Peak in Albuquerque, all the way over to Los Alamos. So it's a really incredible drive up. It's about 13 miles from the bottom of the mountain to the top. And the temperature drops about 15 degrees from the bottom to the top. So it's 48 right now. It's probably going to be somewhere in the low 30s when we get up there. We've had a snow the other day, so the ski slopes, if you point the camera up there, Scott, you can already see that the slopes have snow on them. And we'll be up there in about 30 minutes. So we'll see you up there. Yeah. Like a king.
Unbelievable service at the M&M.
Yeah,
That's the
like
end
a
of it.
king.
How are you today, Murad? Have you had a good day?
Wonderful day. Wonderful.
Do you feel appreciated?
No, I don't.
No.
No.
We had a
I'm
3-hour lunch.
I never feel appreciated.
We had a 3-hour lunch and only spent 20 minutes eating.
That is a problem. So, I guess we're going to wrap up today. I'll make the video so we can get done. So, I'm not up all night doing it because last night I was up till midnight making the video. But thank you for this. This is. When will you open your restaurant, Matthew?
Anytime. Just come back.
Say goodbye, Murad.
Goodbye, Murad.
What is it you're doing, Murad? Some prison work?
Apparently I'm in prison because I have to peel potatoes.
Uh-oh. How are you going to get out of prison?
I'm going to use a potato.
I just, I'm kind. I'm kind. I'm not going to harass you. You're the one making the food. Right? Am I going to harass you because you burnt those steaks last night?
Oh, you're getting this on video? Get out of here. Why don't you just go ahead and keep recording?
Keep recording until your Roku fills up.
Yeah.
There you go. You fill up the Roku with Matt making.
So is that the Roku Silver or Platinum edition you have?
That's the iPhone Roku.
Apple,
That's the iPhone Roku?
iPhone.